Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels, and in this video I am going to tell you the types of barrier, because when we move forward, so different types of barrier we come across. But in this video I am going to tell you three types of barrier which is mostly common and everyone I think they face. And before going to start, I just would like to say that something is that in every person are facing their own problem. They are juggling with their life activities, and the problem is everywhere, and those problems are so much struggleful. So when the life give you 100 reasons to keep in pain, but we are surrounded by some person who always give us 1,000 reasons to keep smiling. So let's move our video, and the first barrier is people. So people is also a kind of barrier, because when we start our journey in any field, we start thinking the other person behavior, what they think. If we do any mistake, so people will make fun of us. So we start thinking the other person thought, and because of that we stop our journey in the midway, and we never start also our journey as well. So, and once we don't start our journey, so how can we become a fluent? Because speaking is only one way to become a good speaker, and because of the fear of the other person, we don't speak. We think that if we do any mistake, so people will make fun of us, and we close ourselves just like a container. So this is the first barrier. And the second barrier is that we are ourselves also a barrier, because when we start in our journey in any field, not in English or in other field, we also start our journey. So first we think ourselves whether we should in this path, whether we should move in this path or not. Then after thinking a lot, then we start taking the advice of the other person. Let's suppose if you take the advice of the 10%, so out of the 10%, if 2 and 3% will tell that no, this path is not made for you. If you move in this path will not lead you a success. And we forget about the 8 or 7%, 7 and 8% out of 10%. We always give preference to the negative person compared to the positive person. So this is ourself a barrier. We don't listen ourselves, we listen other person heart. Instead of listening to ourselves, we taking care of other person thought, and most probably we stop our journey and we don't move forward. So these are the second barrier. And the third barrier is that our massive problem, because every person are facing their own problem. They are juggling with the life, and we are having an insecure in life. No matter how the other person appear confident in front of the person, they would be facing their battle in the life. So problem is everywhere, but those problems are also very much necessary, because without problem we cannot move our goal, we cannot achieve our success, because those problems are strong enough that can change our DNA, and that can also break you, deform you, and also mold you a better version of you. So problem is also move you a better path, a better success, a better future. So we also accept the problem, and we must move forward with our problem. So these are the three barriers, and there are also different type of barrier. Every person has its own barrier, but in this video I have explained only three types of barrier. So I hope you have got the theme of this video. If you have learned something through this video, so write it down in the comment section. I will meet with next video very soon. Enjoy your day, have fun, goodbye, take care.